The latest numbers for you. Let's also tell you the latest on the Franklin Templeton mutual funds crisis. The RBI has stepped in to address the issue of heightened volatility in capital markets due to, in fact, the COVID-19 straining mutual funds after Franklin Templeton shut down 6 mutual funds. The Reserve Bank of India has announced 50,000 rupees crore special liquidity facility for mutual funds. Under the scheme, the RBI will in fact conduct repo operations of 90 days tenure at the fixed repo rate. Support extended to mutual funds under the special liquidity facility shall be exempted from banks' capital market exposure limits. RBI also added that the scheme is available from April 27, 2020, that's today, to May 11, 2020, or up to the utilization of the allocated amount. Congress's P. Chidambaram has already reacted to the RBI's move, saying that this is a welcome step. Our National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastava is joining us with more details on this. Rahul, a step that's already being welcomed by several experts, saying that this was the need of the hour. But is this enough to really address the concerns at this point of what kind of an effect the COVID-19 crisis would have on mutual funds?
Actually, the economy moves not just on pure tangible issues, but also on sentiment. And given the kind of climate which is prevailing over the last few days, following the shutting down of 6 mutual funds by Franklin Templeton, which is a big player in the market, there was a huge amount of jitters as far as the mutual fund market was concerned. If you notice, over the last 2-3 years, mutual funds had become one of the most popular modes of investment and savings, even the middle and the lower middle economic strata. And that is why there was greater pressure on mutual funds in terms of redemptions. People were queuing up to get their money out, fearing that they may lose their money. And that is where, exercising abundant caution, the RBI has stepped in with this special liquidity facility, largely to ensure that the Reserve Bank's entry will cool down the tempers, that the temperatures may cool down, the pressure may ease down, because investors will realize that the RBI and the government are aware of the situation and are taking steps. Now, this 50,000 crore facility is available to banks as an on-tap facility, and it has to be exclusively used for mutual funds. So we may not say that the mutual fund market is huge in the country, but RBI and no government can actually provide for the entire market. I think this is a step which will initiate a certain degree of feeling of warmth, and that kind of fears may subside. And because there is also a fact that there is a view in the world of economics and markets that once you start a fund of this kind, eventually you have to fend for yourself. It is a competitive world in which you have to fend for yourself. You should take safeguards. And that is why I will, the opinion, as Mr. Chidambaram also has said, he has welcomed it. It's an attempt to ease the temperature, to reduce the fears of investors so that they don't queue up to redeem their investments, and that may reduce the liquidity requirement and ease the general pressure in the economy.
Okay, so let's hope that this particular measure by the RBI really addresses the heightened volatility at this point in the capital markets. Rahul, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.